Hello coders, welcome to Refresh Coding. My name is Madhulika and in this video we will talk about AWS CloudFormation. So basically what is CloudFormation? It is infrastructure as a code for specific to AWS. Means here we will be only creating a infrastructure by using a template. That template can be either in YAML format or JSON format, and we will be creating a stack where we will be using that particular template and our whole infrastructure will be ready. So infrastructure will contain some resources like EC2 instance, RDS, security groups, VPC, whatever resources you want. So we will move ahead and we will create a stack here. We will use a template here which is in YAML format. So I'll be explaining you the template also. So first we will go to our CloudFormation in AWS and we will create a stack. So here we will take this option which is template is ready, because my template is ready. We can use a sample template also, or you can create a template in designer also. What is this designer? That I'll explain you in some time. After that, here you can specify a template. So either you can upload your template in Amazon S3 and you can use that S3 URL here, or you can upload the template directly from your local system also. So I will upload a template file here. I will choose formation templates. So this is my template.yaml which I will open. I'll show you this file in some time. After that, we will do next. So here we will give a name for our stack. So let's say I will give it a name as demo stack. And we are not giving any parameters or anything here. This is our basic very first demo. So we will keep it very simple. In this template, basically, we are actually creating two resources. One is EC2 instance and second is one RDS. So we will do next. Here also, all these things I will keep optional. I mean default only. And we will go ahead. And we will do next. Again, you can review all the things. And after that, okay, one more important thing here. See here, even though you take the template from your local system, but what it will do, it will create a S3 bucket for you and it will keep your template there automatic, and it will use the template from there. So remember, it will create a S3 bucket for you. So we will see that bucket also in some time. After that, we will simply do submit. So when we will do submit, it will take some time to create the stack. Okay, so you can see here create in progress. It will take most probably 5 to 6 minutes to create this stack, because here we are having one EC2 instance and one RDS. So it will take some time. So by the time this stack is being created, we will see the template file, what we have written in the template file. Okay, so if we go here in the template, if you can see, we can see our template file here. It is the same template file which I am taking from my local system. You can see this template file in designer also. We can view in designer. Okay, so this designer is actually a part of this CloudFormation. And here you can see a lot of resource types are there, and we can select these resource types and we can drag and drop them here, and it will create a template for us. Okay, and you can convert your template. Like right now I'm using a template which is in YAML format. If you want, you can convert it to JSON also, and you can convert it back to YAML also. Now we will see our template file, what code is written. So basically it is a very simple YAML which is written here. If I show you, so if I zoom it a little bit, okay, so see here what we have written. We have written resources. First is our EC2 instance type, then properties, T2 micro. I'm using a AMI ID. So you can take any image ID. You can just open your AWS EC2 instance and it will give you image ID. Okay. Key name, my key, what is this? This is nothing but a key pair file which we generally download when we create a EC2 instance. So you can also keep a file downloaded, or at the runtime also, if you want, you can generate a new key file. Name is what? Demo instance means this will be the name of my instance. Owner is root. Okay, since I've logged in as a root user, so owner value root. After this, my second instance, second resource is what? MyDB. Type is AWS RDS DB instance. Properties. Allocated storage 5 I am giving, so it will take 5 GB of storage. db.t3.small. Then engine type I am using Postgres, so it will be a Postgres RDS. Username Postgres and password is also Postgres. Deletion policy snapshot means while deleting this RDS, it will take a snapshot of it. So this is what is my resources file, or you can say template file. So since this file is in YAML, so you'll have to be very careful with the spacing and colons. Any mistake and your file will be invalid. This template will be invalid. Okay. So right now, if you see here, we are still in the designer only. If you see here, I can, from here, I can verify my template. You can see validate template. So if I will click here, template is valid. That means everything is fine in my template. No problem. Okay, after this, we will go back and we will see if our stack is ready or not. Okay. So we will go back to create stack here. No, stacks we will go. And you can see demo stack create in progress. So the create is still in progress. So we will wait for some time. So you can see now the stack is created. It is giving us a message as create complete. And now if we go in the resources and we see, it has created one EC2 instance and one MyDB, two resources for us. So if I click here, it will redirect me to the EC2 instance which it has created. So now you can see we have not created this instance manually. Directly we have just created a stack and we used a template and this instance got created for us. So that is what is the power of AWS CloudFormation. If I see this instance now, generally now how you work with an instance, you can work with this instance. So right now the security group and VPC, all it is using is default, because we are not specifying any specific security group or VPC with it. But if you want, you can use your own security group and VPC also. So that we will see in some other video. And if we see this MyDB now, so here also if you go and see the databases, so the database is created for you and it is a Postgres RDS. So you can see the endpoint is 5432 and you can, as normal you connect with any RDS, you can connect with this RDS and you can work with it. So, and events, if you see, these are all the events. Okay, it has created an EC2 instance for us. It has created MyDB and then demo stack create complete. So outputs, right now we are not using any outputs in this particular template, so there is no output. Parameters are also not there. Maybe in some upcoming videos we will see what are outputs and parameters in CloudFormation also. Template we have already seen, we are using this particular template. If at runtime also, if you want to change this template, you can do that. Okay, suppose I do not want this RDS now, so I can delete it and the database will be deleted. After this change set also, nothing right now. Okay, so you have seen that the stack is being created and it is up and you can work with the resources. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video we will see how we can clean up these resources, and if you like the video, please like it and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.